When you learn how to draw Hei Hei from the Moana movie, you'll be drawing a character that's funny, colorful, and full of personality. His big eyes and tall comb and silly expressions make him lots of fun to recreate. If you're a Moana fan, I've got an easy way to draw him, so why don't you grab a pencil and we can draw him together. One quick note first, I do like to add center pencil guidelines on my paper before I begin my drawings. They're also on all of my tutorials, and they really help, especially when you're drawing a mostly symmetrical body like this one. Now, Hei Hei's head has a lot of shapes going on, but let's start with the main one that goes from here and down and comes back up. So now that you see the plan, place your pencil on that center line, draw out and down with a flat side, and then come back up like this. After one side is done, it's easier to draw a matching shape on the other side. This time the top line goes to the left and a flat line down and goes around and comes back up. Next, we need to add something that hangs from the turkey's beak. It's called a snood. Kind of looks like a worm shape to me, so we can draw that droopy shape on one side. After one side is done, then draw the same shape on the other side. Now for an eye that's going to be a large circle that goes outside of the head shape. So start on the snood and draw up and around and back down and come back. So it looks kind of like a circle tucked under that snood. When you're done, be sure to erase any lines inside this circle. After one eye is done, we need to do the same thing for the other. Watch to see that you're drawing it level with the first eye, but still going outside of the head. When finished, erase the line inside there too. Then comes the fun part, adding some ovals inside for those kind of silly looking eyes. The beak is easy, it's just a curve on the bottom and a V shape inside. Finally, Hei Hei has some large brow lines above his eyes, so draw a curve like this and then erase any line inside it. When one side is done, then draw a brow on the other. Notice it does go up and outside of the head shape, which is why we need to erase that one line. Now a large comb shape is added on top of Hei Hei's head. We can draw it with a curved line on the left and then add what looks kind of like fingers that are pointing to the right. Okay, let's move down now to the neck. It starts with two curved lines that get a little bit wider and further apart at the bottom. Then connect those lines at the bottom with a kind of uneven zigzag line. His body kind of looks like a football to me, so draw half of one on one side and then match it on the other. When you're finished, add two little lines that will look like his wings are folded. Now we're going to start the legs with two kind of U shapes underneath that body. Let's do those feet in a couple of steps, starting with the two lines for the ankle. Then this kind of cartoon foot starts with a heel on the left and a wide round shape on the right that has a couple of dents in it. Then if you draw two lines inside like this, it'll look like Hei Hei has 3 toes. The left leg, of course, is drawn the same way, starting with those curved ankle lines, and the shape below with the heel, and the rounded shape that goes to the left this time. We can finish by adding the toe lines there too. After both those legs are complete, let's add some curved lines on the ankles to give them a little more texture. Now we just need to add some tail feathers. Let's start with a large one that bends a couple of times and points down like this. Then add a medium-sized feather below it. It's bending down too. And add another shape below that for a little group of smaller feathers. All right, our pencil drawing is done. So now we need to do what most cartoon artists do, which is get out a black marker to trace those lines. After your tracing is done, don't forget to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. All right, time to get out those crayons, and we need to start with red for Hei Hei's head, and a kind of golden yellow for the beak and neck and feet, and a kind of medium green color for the body and feathers. And that, my friends, is how you can draw Hei Hei from the Moana movie. He's a great example of a fun cartoon character because everything about him is exaggerated, which is what cartoon artists are really good at doing. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more cartoon drawing lessons just like this, including how to draw Moana and Pua and Maui. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you check them out too.